Hello, Air Raid. Isn't that your real name? How did you know about it? Who are you? I am your body type's originator. I am Shock Von Wave Fireflight. Oh, I forgot that name. But hey. Oh well. See you later. Me and the other airbots are getting in. Going the real air raid. Heading logical. And I keep doing is nothing but building dinosaurs and bugs and even dragons. Dragons? Yes, dragons. Heh. I see you wherever Fusor pigs fly. Fusor pigs? That might be an Autobot Sciences. Curse you, Perceptor! Hello, this is Spiderus bringing you a review of the Transformers Generations Fall Cybertron Air Raid, the artist formerly known as Fireflight. Yep, they were originally going to call him Fireflight, but due by trademark problems, yeah. So they change him to Air Raid instead. He has a repaint and a retool. A heavy retool if you see the chest of the Fall Cybertron Shockwave toy. Pretty nice aerial jet mode. After all, this guy is an aerial bot. The somehow odd Autobot criminal of the Seekers. Now let's see how he looks amazingly in pictures. Yep, and he comes with two weaponry. He comes with this. Oop, I drop it. Hold on a second. Sorry. But here is the sword clamp thing. And you combine it straightly. This forms some kind of sword weapon so he can slash you. And now let's transform. Pretty much that's the same as Shockwaves, but differently. Yeah, unlike Air Raid stuff. Air Raid in the game looks different from this Air Raid, aka Firefight. Yeah, and yeah, take up this thing, flip up the blade. He has a blade in this. You remove basically the same band like Shockwave. And there's a blade. So what do you do? Okay, pretty much we can flip them. Flip feet. Flip the feet. Flip. And we can pop the head. Pop the wings if you like. Unlike Shockwave, both hands. Unlike Shockwave, both hands are removed. Yeah. Air Raid. Ta-da! Let's give him this sword and this dagger. Bing. You put the gun on the back. And here he is in robot mode. Yeah, here is Air Raid in robot mode. And pretty much like Shockwave, pretty. But he has that chip. He has this chip instead of the Autobot, instead of the Decepticon crew. Nice head scope, which is pretty cool. For rotation, he can rotate side to side. Oh, it goes 360 degrees. The rest of the body is same articulation. Shoulder, shoulder, arm, rotate, 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 bend, wings, flap. Or you can make him look different. Yeah, and actually after my review, he looks like Rerun. Oh, he doesn't look like Rerun. Ha 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 ha. However, you can have the gun. You can hold the gun this way, so you can have this blade. Oh, like Magnus, you can combine the form some genetic weaponry. In both, I believe, all his weapons and like Shockwave, you can actually merge it to form some kind of gun blade. Yeah, okay, that's weird, but hey, it's air raid. What do you expect? Well, here's the size comparison him next to Shockwave, and final thoughts on this guy is, yeah, he is pretty great for your trade, and plus he's he and Blaster and the Wreckers are the only non-characters in the game, I don't think. But hey, what do you know? They didn't appear and they didn't appear. So what? If Hasbro would call this guy Air Raid, would probably make fans happy, but instead they go with Air Raid instead of Firefight. But hey, even the Crayon had Fire Strike, but hey, that's okay. But anyway, this is Spiderus seeing at 10, and the next one is the like below their feet. Surprisingly, it's a side to the swipe. Bad punk. But anyway, Spiderus seeing at 10, and follow me in these fine fights at the end of the video.